Hi, everyone. I'm Mark Rosenthal with you on this Monday. I hope everybody had a great weekend. The weather was just unbelievable. It is going to stay that way for the foreseeable future. But how about those Patriots yesterday? Boy, they look good with Cam Newton. Very well orchestrated. I mean, there were a few mistakes, but look, not bad for the first game. You know, they really didn't have a practice season or anything like that, so they came out, they were smoking. Tom Brady looked okay to me, too, although they lost. And, you know, he's with a new team. It just takes time to get acclimated. I think Tommy's great. Still has that fire in his belly. Got to love that. Good for him. 43 years old playing football. Give him hell, Tommy. All right, we got stuff to talk about, so let's do weather business, shall we? It's a nice Monday around here, but seriously, no outside burning because we're going to have a gusty northwest wind today. Temps in the 70s, dew points falling back in the low 40s. Very dry air by this afternoon. That's a bad setup as our dry weather pattern continues. We will be up and down in the temperature department over the next 5 to 10 days. All right, we do have a surf advisory posted for the North Shore of Massachusetts and the area in purple, and of course for the Cape and the Islands, and also for the south coast of Massachusetts and the south coast of Rhode Island. That's because combination of Hurricane Paulette in a big high-pressure area building out of Canada means the gradient is going to increase. That means the pressure difference between low pressure to our south and high pressure to our north is going to funnel those winds in here over the next couple of days. And speaking of the tropics, let me get to my little magic pen here and put them on the map. We have a little X coming off the African coast, needs to be watched. Another little tropical area of low pressure here. Here's tropical depression number 20, and here's Renee. This is going to just fizzle out and go out, but Hurricane Paulette will continue to intensify, but curling northeast is going to be a hit to Bermuda. That's a problem for them. I'd be worried if I was in Bermuda right now because winds could gust over 80 miles an hour. But as this storm gets out here, and again, high pressure building down from the north, that's why we're talking about increasing north and northeast winds over the next couple of days and very rough surf. Here is Sally. This will become a hurricane. Now, the problem for Louisiana and New Orleans is that it's going to probably be a Category 1 or 2 storm, but it's going to slow down. And that means the water's going to pile up and the winds are going to increase and there's going to be a lot of rain. They're going to have a lot of problems down here. This X is just going to probably add some tropical fuel into the fire. So lots going on down there. Now I want to show you the weather map for us. This is valid for this coming Saturday. Look at, we have cool high pressure building down in this position. And for you meteorologists and weather freaks, you know what these lines are. They're thickness lines. And here's the 540 line coming down into northern New England. And at night when the wind drops off, I think Friday night and Saturday night, away from the coast by about 20 miles or so, there's going to be a frost in the low-lying areas. Temperatures could get close to freezing with a chance of frost there. Downtown Boston will stay in low and mid-40s. But even in southern Massachusetts, you know, Martha's Vineyard has a very cold thermometer, as they do in Norwood, as they do in Taunton. Those areas could get close to freezing. And the cranberry bogs and the Cape as well. You see low-pressure areas well offshore to the south. But again, it's the same thing. We've got storminess here, high pressure here, gusty north and northeast wind. All the warmth for now is going to be pushed back into the plains and the Rockies, where Denver had a lot of snow just about a week ago. Crazy, crazy weather. All right, here's the rub for today. We're talking about sunny, windy, warm, and dry weather. It'll be in the 70s, northwest winds 15 to 35 miles an hour. And then overnight, the winds are down, clear sky, temps fall down, 44 in the suburbs, 52 in town. Here's your 7-day forecast for Boston, starting with tomorrow. Look at that, sunshine, 67. Then we start to warm it up, 70 to 75 on Wednesday as winds turn southwest. Summer winds on Thursday, sun clouds. We could get close to 80. And Friday features a cool down, about 70. We're chilling out on Saturday with fall sun, 62. Great apple picking weather. Sunday only near 60. Now at night again away from the coast in the 30s. By next Monday we're only in the mid-60s. But, you know, I think there's still a lot more warmth coming late this month and into October. Even though we'll have some cool spells, it'll warm up again. I don't think we're just going to fall into fall, if you will, and just stay cool. All right, there you go. That's my Monday forecast. Thanks for checking in. Please stay tuned for updates. I'm Mark Rosenthal.